We're at iMedical Equipment and Service. We're here in our processing center in our Virginia Beach location, and we've just went through a video and kind of went through the process that we go through on our manual exam tables, and right now we're just getting ready to process through a bunch of our power exam tables. Power exam tables primarily are going to be your Ritter 222, Ritter 223, and then the Midmark 622 and Midmark 623s. And we do have people here. We can work on hydraulics, we can work on motors. So the first thing that they're going to do here obviously is go through and they're testing every single one. The one thing that's nice about these Ritter exam tables, you can see here, they sit very low to the ground. They're just 18 inches off the ground. Midmark calls that barrier free, but basically for pediatric seniors, patients that may be handicapped, they're very easy to sit down in. You don't need a step stool. And if you look directly behind, you can see that they go plenty high. I mean, right now that's above my waist. So the table for being able to maneuver the patient basically gives a very wide range for the physician and for the doctor to be able to take care and see their patients. And then these all have stirrups. They all have a pull-out drawer right here. So you can lay the patient down flat. 222s are power up and down. The back section is manual, so these are 222s. You can see right away you've got your manual drop down right here. And then 622 or 622s would be exactly the same. So the Ritter 222 and the Midmark 622 are basically exactly the same model. And then the 623 and the 223 have a power back and power up and down, so they're dual power. Basically what's going to happen here, every single one of these is going to be tested. Once they get tested, they're going to pull all the tops off of these, so every single one of these is going to be reupholstered. You can see right here, they're just very, very easy to get the tops off on these. So these are just going to basically come out, get popped right off, and then we're going to take those to the upholstery location where we get all of our upholstery work done. And then every single one of these is going to be reupholstered. Now, we do sell all varieties of tables. You can see from the previous video, some of our manual tables, they pulled the tops off. Those have been moved to the second back section of the warehouse. But we're going to go through a full recertification program where all these are clean tested, and then we're going to go through and touch up, clean, and paint the bases on these. So when they get shipped out, they're going to look basically almost brand new or in basically new condition. So this is the iMedical Equipment and Service recertification process here for the power exam tables. And once again, with Ritter and Midmark, we recertify these and ship these all over the United States and all over the world. If you're looking for power exam tables, or you're looking for manual exam tables, or anything you need basically for a doctor's office, give us a call at iMedical Equipment and Service. You can reach us, San Diego, California, 858-263-4894. Richmond, Virginia, Virginia Beach, 804-929-6886. And you can also reach our Cincinnati, Ohio location at 513-314-1079. iMedical Equipment and Service, looking at power exam tables, going through our factory here, 75,000 square foot warehouse and headquarter facility here, where we go through all the recertification, kind of taking you behind the scenes so you can see the process and see the guys at work and know what type of quality work goes into these before they get shipped out. iMedical Equipment and Service, exam tables, power exam tables, give us a call. iMedical Equipment and Service, we're your one-stop shop for all your medical equipment needs.